Going to learn how you can change the payment method that we have to buy anything in a video game, coins, table, etc. I am going to give you the example with the game Subway Surf. Okay, here. In this case, I want to buy lower the volume and I I want to buy 700 coins, $1, and we will see our Visa payment methods is directly added to this email. Okay, email is here, and what we must to do is change the payment method and add a credit or debit card. Okay, touch in and add debit or credit card. Select here and we will enter the complete card number, which is approximately 20 numbers if I'm not mistaken. The CVV will be directly updated and we can choose if we want a MasterCard, Visa or another Visa. Now the option you have to pay with another email is to remove this from your device. You are going to do is in the following the way we are going in configuration and select Google. When we are Google, we are going to go to where it say manage your account, and in this case we are going to security and we search activity and review security activity. In this case the phone is Galaxy A34 5G, and you can close session, and where it says data, and we are going to go to delete this one and then we will have that other email added. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it, and if you need anything specific, leave in the comments.